Hi, so today we'll talk about SQL injection vulnerability. So let's first understand what is SQL injection vulnerability. So if a form is retrieving some data, for example, if I have to key in my name and then it's going to fetch some record. So from the front end, I'll type my name and that will go to the database and will run a select query. So it will be running the select query on my first name and getting up whatever data is required. So in this case, developers usually try to do functional testing on the client side by saying that first name only for alphabets should be entered and no numeric and no special characters, which is fine. But when that query is intercepted by doing a man-in-the-middle attack and that is appended with some SQL injection payloads and sent to the server, there is a high chance that an attacker can retrieve multiple records. Instead of my name, I can see any other's data as well. So this is SQL injection vulnerability. So SQL injection will have multiple types, but there would be a select query done on the database, there could be an update query that would be run on database, or there would be an insert also. In all these types, what developers need to do is to fix SQL injection on client side as well as server side before that query, SQL query hits to the database, validate all the extra characters those have been injected by the attacker. For example, with first name, I would have added semicolon or 1 equal to 1. What will this do is, this will go to the database and retrieve all the attacks. So what you're telling the database is find the first name and also get everything along with it. And hence, by just injecting one simple payload, I was able to see all the records those were there in the database, which is malicious. So similarly, think of the damage that can happen with the update query or insert query that can be executed. Hence, to fix the SQL injection attack, sanitize, that is validate extra appends. Those have been done on the data parameter that should go to the database for processing. The simple example was or 1 equal to 1, but there are multiple such SQL payloads that you can find on open source websites. Hope this is clear. Thank you.